Hello and welcome to another episode of mHUB Inside. Today we're going to do our first unboxing video. We are going to be unboxing the X-Carve Pro from Inventables. They are an industry partner of ours. Zach Kaplan said, hey, we got some new tools. We want you to check them out. So this is the 4x4 X-Carve Pro, brand new on the market. Check them out. We're going to see how we like it, and hopefully you'll like it as well. My co-star today is Adam Milich.
How you doing?
He's really excited to use this for some of his personal projects, so I think he actually might be one of our first users.
Absolutely.
Inventables is a company that makes entry-level CNC equipment that's really user-friendly. Pretty much anybody off the street can come in and use their software and program these things to do smaller projects, but this is obviously an entry into the larger field of carving machines. So we're in our little microfab area back here that we reserved out to test this machine, throw some chips around. We're going to figure out where it's going to go in the lab after this, but looking forward to have you guys join us on this journey. Thanks. Hello!
How's it going?
It's going well. I'm sitting here torquing things. Initial impressions, at least from me. One, amazing toolkit. It sends you a little torque wrench, which is normally something you have to go buy yourself, or have already if you've done this kind of stuff before. So for somebody that's brand new to this machine assembly, not bad. Like, it's a surprisingly nice toolkit full of good stuff. So I was very much impressed by that. So far, all the hardware quality seems top notch. The only thing, and it's pretty much what always happens for any assembly, is I think there's some washers missing, but doesn't seem to be an issue.
I think we have some of those laying around.
Yeah.
You know, just like a mechanic, you know, you're working on an engine, you're missing a couple screws, you find them later.
Go back. Yeah, it's all right.
So what is the footprint? Is everything going to rest on top of this?
Yeah, so this is the machine base. From what we can tell, the two y-axes are installed, and then two cross members. We're making sure all the gantry bits are square. Torquing them down, as you can hear with the torque wrench.
It's bigger than 4x4.
Well, it's a 4x4 usable area, but the footprint itself is bigger.
Yeah, we kind of underestimated that with the tables.
So you can see there's a little flipping around, which the video up there should also see. But so far, like, it seems like a very nice kit. And there's no misaligned holes that I can tell. I'm impressed.
Good work. All right, I'll be back in 40 minutes.
Sounds good.
See you in
See you then. And what were you just saying?
I was saying I like the good old-fashioned paper instructions.
Did this not come with paper instructions, or you're choosing supplemental
It
info?
It came with
All
a.
digital.
It came with a piece of paper that directed them to you to their
That is
website.
interesting.
I'm not.
They're actually very good.
I'm okay with what is really nice is there are video snippets for each major assembly point.
That's true.
That is very well out, and we've had to reference several times because I was like, "What do you want? What are you calling, huh?" And it's
Very
all-
helpful.
So it's
Super
very
straightforward.
helpful,
Yeah.
Is that what this is? Quick start guide.
There it is. That's
That
what
is-
they, that's
that
what they
is
give
the-
you.
You need
Here's the overview.
two people to fully assemble. There
you
they
get?
are.
Not a light pantry.
We had 3. We had John come
We
in
did have John, so
For
good.
for a particular.
to put this guy on.
Okay.
yeah, just because it's like the very delicate part that if you break would be a very sad day to replace.
Yes.
So
Looks good. That seems like the prime component, right?
yeah.
Progress is being made.
So it's mostly just connecting the last little bits together. So most of the hardware is done. There's a bed piece, I believe, that's going to go attached, and now it's just routing the cables and making sure all the connections are there, so it can talk to itself about itself.
So what percentage are you done, do you think?
I would say we're close to like 80. We have to plug in everything to the controller.
I would go like 70.
Okay, I'm with Quinn.
We'll lose that 10%. There's always something you don't account for. So yeah.
Looking good.
Hopefully at the next little bit we'll be just buttoning it up, I think.
We'll be making things.
We'll see you in 40 minutes.
these guys, right? The flat boys.
Yep. And you need a smaller than before hex.
All right, hello.
Oh, well, hello and welcome back to assembling of the thing.
It's been longer than 40 minutes.
Yeah, it has been
has.
longer than
It's
40
been-
minutes.
What have you guys been doing the last hour?
Assembling, deassembling, realizing before when I said they were missing washers, it was because we weren't looking at all the bags properly, which is my bad. So we had to take some things apart and put some things back together, which you will see on the camera. But other than that, it is live and it moves and it homes. We're just putting on these base plates right now. It looks good. Let's see. Adam, you were giving it a what for assembly?
I'd say it's about a 7. It's pretty straightforward. I think that I think anyone can assemble it.
You were saying something about having paper instructions. I
Yeah.
agree. It's nice to be able to see those like without having to be a tiny phone. And the video is absolutely necessary, but paper instructions would also be nice to lay out with
It's a nice
it.
reference.
Yeah.
You know, we look like some goofs looking at our phone every. You know.
I'm going to clarify, 7 out of 10, not in terms of hard.
No, in terms of ease, like
Yeah,
7
like
is,
it higher is better.
yeah.
And 7 is pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward.
Yeah. And so we are just getting the platen on the spoil board.
When are you guys going to run the first job on it?
Adam has to design something, I think.
Yeah, so actually I want to design something for mHUB for our photo room. It's like a battery charging station.
Cool.
So that's what I'm hoping to run on here first.
Yeah.
We just showed the photo room in the last video.
Oh, really? Cool.
Yeah. So this is pretty good. We'll make sure to get some footage of that. It might not make it into this edit, but we'll definitely record things being cut.
I'll be curious to see where we find the station.
That is a thing
Me too.
as well. There might be a follow-up video of me trying to figure out how to mount this to the wall, because personally, I don't know where this is going to go. I think it would be really cool if it was actually mounted straight up vertical, so all the chip went down besides what goes in the vacuum, and then you don't take any floor space, or maybe something like a not a Lazy Susan, but a Murphy bed kind of deal. That would be very, I don't know about how flat it would maintain well like that, but it would be wicked.
Wicked.
Be determined.
Yeah.
Well, great job. So all in all, I think that was like, what, 2.5, 3 hours?
I have 4 hours of GoPro video, so somewhere under that. That's the max amount that I can do. We'll actually have it move for you while my computer says wake up. You can keep screen that. Come on, computer, do computer things. There we go.
I am clear of the machine.
He is clear. What's really cool about it is it actually all runs from a web interface. So, oh, the machine just disconnected itself because my computer was asleep.
And it comes with the software in the box.
Yes, there is an upgraded version of the software as well. Okay. Unlock you. So here we go. Machine, home machine. And so it's doing its homing process and moving around.
We have a machine.
There is a machine. It's a large area build. Nice threaded, it looks like 3-inch on center hold downs, so this should be really user friendly.
Thanks, Inventables.
Yeah, thank you very, very much. We look forward to running this
All right, we'll talk to you guys later.
next time.